Hi, y'all. I'm Liz Trotter. I'm with Cleaning Profit Builders, and I'm coming to Vegas for 4 reasons. All right. The first one is I want to see everybody. I want to find out how everyone's doing. It's unprecedented times, and I want to know how's everybody hanging on. I want to know what everybody's up to. I haven't seen people in a really long time, and I've missed everybody. Second thing is I want to find out what people are doing. It is, again, unprecedented times with COVID. And I want to know what people are doing that's different. If we're doing business the same way we've always been doing it, not so great, right? So I want to find out what everyone is doing that's new, different, revolutionary, because those are the times we're in. And 3, I am presenting. And I think I have a simple solution to a complex problem that I want to present. Of course, I just love presenting anyway, and I'm really looking forward to that. And then 4, Vegas, baby. Who doesn't love Vegas? Excellent weather, great people. I love the slots. I'm going for the fun too. Hope to see y'all there. Bye.